natural disaster in China. People breathe with difficulty. Welcome to the event channel. For the fourth time in a month, a dust storm hits Beijing and northern China. It's really a lot when, in a single month 4 successive times, violent sandstorms like this have swept through Beijing and parts of northeastern China, forcing some residents to protect themselves from the heavy pollution of the indoor air. People are breathing with difficulty. Images showed the Chinese capital was shrouded in a cloud of orange fog on Monday that remained thick in the air until Tuesday, even as conditions began to improve. Beijing authorities have ordered children and the elderly to stay indoors, and healthy adults have been asked to refrain from outdoor activity, which proves that the situation was really critical. Residents have also been reminded to close windows and wear face masks and face shields. According to the Beijing City Ecology and Environment Monitoring Center, the air quality index reached a severe pollution on Monday. The concentration of PM10 particles was higher than 1,321 micrograms per cubic meter at 2100 hours. The center said this is nearly 30 times the recommended daily rate of 45 micrograms per cubic meter, set by the World Health Organization on Monday. PM10 is particulate matter less than 10 microns in diameter that can irritate the eyes and nose and enter the lungs. Subscribe for more information and more videos. I wish you a pleasant day. Goodbye.